You are watching Car Essentials, and in this video, we're gonna show you the top 5 best garage door insulation kits in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, we picked the 5 models that will meet the need of every type of consumer. We arrange these products on basis of their price, quality, durability and more. We also have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 5, Reach Barrier Garage Door Insulation Kit. You can found on the market in 2021. The most cost-effective option for insulating your garage is the Reach Barrier. This product is a radiant barrier that benefits from being lightweight and easy to customize. The garage door insulation kit comes with 8 pre-cut insulation panels that can be trimmed with just a utility knife and straight edge. The Reach Barrier's most notable feature is its price. It can insulate a steel garage door at a fraction of the cost of its competitors. The outer layer is made of a unique reflective polyethylene material that can block up to 95% of reflecting heat. The reflective barrier and bubble layer adhere to the door with 5 sticky pads that come included with the kit. Despite being the best garage door insulation for heat and cold weather, the Reach Barrier may not be the right choice for you. The surface of the door panels cannot be painted, so depending on how you like the look of the material, that could be a big drawback. Also, because of the trimming that is required, it can be a messier installation compared to others. Number 4, TradeGear Wall Plate Insulation, is to be found on the market in 2021. The TradeGear Wall Plate Insulation is a handy set to have around, even if only for its low price and innovative design. This 100-pack of polyethylene foam is designed to resist both extreme cold and moisture. It's thick enough to keep out drafts even in the intense wind and durable enough to not crack under pressure, literally or figuratively. Each piece is the exact size of an AC wall outlet. While it won't be enough to do your entire garage door, it makes a fantastic way to reinforce your existing insulation. The small size makes it effortless to trim the panels, enabling you to fix insulation issues without a problem. Water-resistant and resilient, this wall plate insulation works wherever you need it. The nature of this material enables you to insulate the garage door's nooks and crannies. You'd need a lot of it to cover the whole door. Use it in conjunction with larger polymer sheets to get the most value out of both. Number 3, Bowsen Garage Door Seals, you can found on the market in 2021. The Bowsen Garage Door Seals come in a 16-foot-long roll, a 1/4 inch thick to offer proper protection. Made out of high-grade rubber, it can withstand weather between -40 and 240 degrees Fahrenheit. The T-shape at the end of the rubber panel ensures complete water and windproofing once it's installed. Capable of blocking all types of precipitation, it installs without any hardware to ensure complete structural integrity. Coming with end plugs to attach it firmly, this rubber garage door baseboard shores up your overall insulation. It reinforces the garage door where it is most likely to be challenged by the weather. You can get this seal in a lot of different sizes, ranging from 10 to 20 feet. Keep in mind that it's better to have a bit extra than not enough, so measure the length you need and pick the option that's the next size up. Number 2, Ant Enterprises Reflective Foam Garage Door Insulation, you can found on the market in 2021. This insulation is the reflective foil kind that will make your garage look like a Star Trek set, but it's worth it. Also, that might be a feature for some people. With an R value of 8.5, it's one of the most efficient insulators on our list, while also covering a 2-car garage for a very budget-friendly price. The product includes 4 rolls of 2-foot by 18-foot insulation, along with detailed instructions for installation. It keeps heat inside in the winter, and outside in the summer, well enough that the temperature in your garage will always be about 20 degrees closer to the average than the temperature outside. Of course, there are some drawbacks. The big one is customer service, as it can be hard to get in contact with Ant Enterprises if you have a problem. Like with some other kits, the tape only really works once, so you have to be extremely diligent with your cleaning and measuring if you want this kit to work for you. Number 1, SmartShield Reflective Insulation Roll, you can found on the market in 2021. If you're looking for something that will withstand even the most trying conditions, the SmartShield Reflective Insulation Roll has you covered. The roll design of this polyethylene material makes it compatible with any garage door, working in all environments. The reflective exterior has an efficiency rating of 97%. This kit consists of 3 mm closed polymer cells held closely together. Tightly held between thick aluminum material, it is maneuverable yet tough. You can even use it to improve your garage's soundproofing. Plus, when it comes time to cut it to size, the non-toxic contents keep you safe throughout. It's easy to place and makes overhauling your garage an overall pleasant experience. Keep in mind that this roll comes in 16-inch wide sheets and includes 50 feet of material. To make sure you can get through the whole project in one go, measure your garage door surface area ahead of time. This is all for now. You can check the links in the description box down below. All garage door insulation kits are available on Amazon. You can check the price by clicking on the link. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.